Hola, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm gonna be talking about networking. This is something that most people it's not very used to do, but it's gonna be more and more important. And today I'm gonna tell you why it's gonna be important to build your network at the same time you are learning software development. When I talk to graduates or people that are looking for their first job, the first thing they tell me is that they struggle a lot. It's very hard for someone to find a job when you don't have work experience. And a network can help you a lot in getting your first job. So today I'm gonna be talking about three main topics, and I'm gonna give you a few examples on what things you can do in order to build a network at the same time you're learning software development to land a job as soon as you have all the skills. So let's give it a go. The first thing you have to do is to create a LinkedIn profile. This is very easy, shouldn't take you long, and you can do it in different stages. So why it's important to have a LinkedIn profile? Because it's going to be very easy for you to connect with other software developers. You can connect with other graduates, you can connect with people that are learning software development at the same time, or they are at uni. But the most important thing is for you to connect with people that they are actually working as a software developer. So make sure you go, you have a picture, you have the location where you are. In my case, it's Auckland. That you can say that you're a software developer in the making, in your header of the LinkedIn profile, and also to maybe include as work a project that you're working on. Even if it's learning, you could put there that you're working on learning software development, and after that you can name the other jobs that you have been having, or even the current job that you are doing. I'm a recruiter, I'm learning software development, so basically I will put recruiter and a side project that it's learning software development. So this is the first thing to do. It shouldn't take you long. Just go to linkedin.com, create your profile, and you're gonna be finish with the first thing. It's not difficult, just go and do it. And believe me, this will help you a lot. The second thing you need to start doing is connecting with other software developers. This is very easy as well. You just need to go, and in the search bar you need to put software developers, software engineers, full stack developers, front-end developers, back-end developers. There are a lot of different job titles for a software developer, and it doesn't matter. In the beginning, you just want to connect with other software developers. You're gonna be able to learn from what they post on LinkedIn. You're gonna be able to see in which companies they work, and this is gonna be something very important to have to start learning which are the companies out there that you're gonna be able to apply in 4 months time, in 6 months time, once you have finished your program on learning software development. So it's again very easy. You just send a message to this person saying, hi, I'm a software developer in the making. I'm trying to grow my network to learn more about software developers and the companies they work at. I would like to connect. Thank you very much. It's very important that you personalize your message, even if you're messaging, 10 people a day for the next 6 months. That's gonna be enough. By the time you finish, you will have a very big network of other software developers. Again, this will help you in different ways. One, you already have a network. Second, you already know a lot of companies that you could work for. And the third thing that I'm gonna talk currently, it's people getting to know you. people getting to know your story and building genuine relationships. So let's jump to that and let's now talk about building genuine relationships with other software developers. Let's give it a go. Great, let's start talking about building genuine relationships with the software developers that you have connected with. I know this is probably the most challenging part, building a relationship with someone you don't know, you haven't met before, and probably, or maybe you're not gonna be meeting face to face. So I know it's difficult, but we can do it little by little, so you can make it easier for you. So once people connect with you, you just want to say a message saying thanks for connecting with me. And you can tell them, I'm a software developer in the making. I wanted to connect with you to learn more about you and the company you are working at. So thank you very much for accepting and my connection, and looking forward to talk soon. Next thing you can do is you can start talking to them every now and then. Let's put it this way. If you're learning, let's say React, you're currently learning React, and you have questions. You have questions on how to do one thing or the other, or you're trying to solve a problem. That's the time where you could send a message to, let's say, 10 people, 15 people, 20 people saying, hey, I see that you're a software developer working with React. I'm learning React on my own. I have been trying to do this and that. I'm struggling a little bit. Do you think you have a piece of advice on how to do this or that? You need to be very specific in what you are asking in order for them to be able to answer quite easily, so they can give you the answer straight away. A lot of people won't get back to you, so don't worry, it's not you, it's gonna happen. But some people will get back to you. And with those people are the ones that you want to start building these relationships. So you know, and you can ask for permission. Hey, it's all good if I get in touch with you every couple of weeks asking for a few questions. And some of them, they will say yes. Again, that's amazing. And some of them, they will say no, and that's all good. You shouldn't take it personally. It's not bad. Some people have time, some people don't have time. I have 2 kids, I have a wife, I have a job, and I'm learning software development, so sometimes I'm not able to get back to everyone. So that's all good. Doesn't mean that I don't like that person. It's just a matter of time. But there are gonna be people that they would want to help. And I have seen that the software development community, it's very open to help other software developers. So again, let's do a review of what we have been talking about. Let's make sure that when you are building relationships with other software developers, you are very precise in what you need from them. Make it easy for them to get back to you. Questions that they can answer. Again, one example is you're learning React, you are struggling with something, find 10 to 20 other software developers in your network and ask them if they can help you with that problem and how would you be able to solve it. A lot of people won't get back to you, some of them yes. The one that they say yes, you ask for permission to reach out to them again, maybe in 2 weeks' time, to show your progress. This is just the beginning of building a relationship. Believe me, as soon as you start talking to these people more and more, you will figure out how to keep working together with them. And if not, I will give you some more tips in my next video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Have a great week. Bye bye.